basil leaf pork, a little egg on top.
Nice.
So good.
Yeah. Well, John, guess you're going to enjoy this temple on your own. Would you like to tell the people why?
No women. They menstruate too much. It's
So
gonna be me in this one, sorry.
All right, let me know how it goes. I'll be here. Was it everything you'd hoped it would be and more?
It's pretty incredible. Just joined the He-Man Woman Haters Club, so
Cool.
it's good to get that membership in Thailand as well.
Yeah. I'm enjoying the shade.
This is where women sit.
Oh my God, you are one step away from me slapping the out of you.
Since arriving in Thailand, we've been so curious about Buddhism and wanted to learn more about the culture. So we booked a tour of Doi Suthep Temple with a specialist and practicing Buddhist. Maggie, our amazing guide, kindly asked if we'd be open to taking part in the traditions of Buddhism for the day, to which we said yes. Her excitement and joy was evident, and she thanked us for being open-minded. She then showed us how to be respectful in the temple, prayer practices, the history of Buddhism and Buddha, and the core beliefs everyday Buddhists live by. We were blessed by a monk and learned the importance of meditation and balance and how welcoming Thai Buddhists are to curious travelers. She then took us to Sticky Waterfall, a waterfall you literally hike up barefoot or in sandals, and we enjoyed the beautiful and tranquil views and sounds. Maggie, shown here, was absolutely wonderful and incredibly kind. We would encourage everyone, no matter your religion, to keep a curious mind and take part in a day of the life of these amazing people and their beliefs. We also spent a day hanging out with elephants at Elephant Nature Park. Most of these elephants are actually older females, so you could basically call them the Golden Girls. It was so much fun to see such large animals up close, and of course, we love seeing the few little ones running around the park too.
Chiang Mai.
Goodbye, Chiang Mai. It was a lot of fun. Definitely would, I think I like Chiang Mai more than Bangkok. What about you?
Yeah, it's really good place.
Yeah, now we're taking our first night train back to Bangkok and then fly out to Hanoi. Woo! Let's go.